So today we are talking about my statement earrings. So I asked you guys in the last jewelry video what I should do, and a lot of you said earrings. So we're going to do my statement earrings. I did a video like this years ago. We'll link it here. Not going to repeat a lot that's in this. These are like my current favorites and newer ones. Along with those, I still have a lot of them. Yes, I have a lot of earrings. But we're going to have some fun with this one. So enjoy.
All your troubles of them bubbles. It's my cry and I'll party if I want. Party if I want. Party if I want. You only live once, but that's all I need. So keep it flowing and I'll buzz just like a bee. Dancing on the tables, throwing out the labels. Life is a ball and I'm living it large. I'm the entertainment and I came to play. You gonna know my name. We're gonna misbehave. Oh, bring the champagne. Oh, this how we celebrate. Pour me some bubbles. Pour me some. Pour me some. Pour me some. Forget your troubles. Pour me some. Pour me some. Yeah, pour me some. And do it on the double, baby. Give me them bubbles, yeah. It's my night and we'll do it like we always do. Louis bag and Prada too. Show stopping makes you know you only live once before you turn to dust. I'm feeling fabulous. We're gonna misbehave. Oh, bring the champagne. Oh, this how we celebrate. Pour me some bubbles. Pour me some. Pour me some. Pour me some. Forget your troubles. Pour me some. Pour me some. Yeah, pour me some. Pour me some bubbles. Pour me some. Pour me some. Pour me some. Forget your troubles. Pour me some. Pour me some. Yeah, pour me some. And do it on the double, baby. Give me them bubbles, yeah. Sipping on them bubbles. Sipping on them bubbles. Sipping on them bubbles, yeah. Sipping on them bubbles. Sipping on them bubbles. Sipping on them bubbles, yeah. Forget all your troubles. Forget all your troubles. Forget all your troubles. Just one more glass.
So guys, these are my current favorite statement earrings. Comment below with your favorites from this video and what I should do next from my jewelry collection. What do you guys want to see more of? See you guys. Bye.